Easy low carb breakfast recipes that will change your mornings. So quick and easy to make, set up your perfect low carb meal plan with these breakfast recipes. Following a keto or low carb diet, we have lots of easy low carb breakfast recipes to help you find the perfect thing to eat. These low carb breakfast recipes are so quick and easy to make and can help you set up the perfect meal plan. Keep watching. Recipe number 1, cheesy bacon egg muffins. Egg muffins are cheesy, puffy, low in carbs, and high in protein. This bacon egg muffin recipe is the perfect make ahead breakfast for on the go. Asparagus scrambled eggs. This easy asparagus scrambled eggs recipe is full of spring flavors and perfect for a breakfast brunch or a light vegetarian lunch. The scrambled eggs are so fluffy it's like eating a cloud. Easy sausage egg muffins. These sausage, egg, and cheese muffins are the perfect low carb, grab and go, keto friendly breakfast option. Try these sausage muffins today. Easy meal prep keto breakfast. This keto breakfast recipe is packed with protein and so convenient for busy mornings. The perfect meal prep option for on the go. Cheesy chicken fritters. Stack these chicken fritters up in your lunchbox for an easy meal prep during the week. Baked tuna stuffed peppers. This baked tuna stuffed peppers recipe is super quick and simple. Cook the tuna filling, then stuff the peppers, bake, add an egg, then bake until set. A total crowd pleaser. Garlic butter keto bread. This garlic keto bread is crisp on the outside and moist on the inside. This is the holy grail for keto breads. No bake peanut butter chocolate coconut bars. These satisfying chocolate peanut butter coconut bars require no baking and are completely sugar-free. Ham and spinach egg muffins. These healthy make-ahead egg muffins are so delicious and perfect for a breakfast on the go. Cheesy stuffed portobello mushrooms with garlic sauce. A low-carb, keto-friendly breakfast that's totally addicting. Egg muffin breakfast keto low-carb cups. Low in carbs and high in protein, the perfect make-ahead breakfast for on the go. Berry chia pudding. Boost your breakfast or afternoon pick-me-up snack. Scrambled eggs with avocado and tomato. This simple scrambled eggs recipe is a nutrient-packed, healthy breakfast that will keep you energized throughout the day. Jumpstart your day with these easy scrambled eggs. Kale salad omelet recipe. A fresh, delicious, and easy to make breakfast that keeps you going strong all day. Ham cheese frittata. Learn how to make a frittata with simple ingredients. Delicious frittata recipe for an easy, healthy dinner or brunch. A breakfast must also. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy your low carb recipes. All of the links are in the description. Thank you.